Oh, what's this? Watching documentaries or coding for NASA?
I am working on Swan technology. It's a complicated stuff.
Complicated stuff. That makes me even more curious.
If you really want to know, ask him. He will explain things better.
Hi Shreyansh, can you tell me what is this stuff called swan technology?
So swarm technology. Have you seen flocks of birds flying in the sky?
Yes, they looks like they're perfectly choreographed.
Exactly. None of them has a leader shouting left, right, up, down. They just follow simple steps like don't collide, stay close, and follow your neighbor. That's how they make the beautiful complex motion.
So you're saying that robots can copy birds?
Yeah, not just birds, but also bees, ants, and fish. All nature is full of swarms. Engineers thought that ants can find the shortest path to their food. Why not? Robot can do the same.
Small robots, but when they work together, they are powerful, like Avengers assembling.
And that's how swarm robotics has born. Instead of building one super smart, super expensive robot, we can make tiny robots which can work together.
Guys, I am doing something big. Can you please leave me alone?
Would you like to have a cup of tea?
Sure. Can you give me a real life example of swarm technology?
Sure. Like in Australia, the swarm farm robotics is doing great in the field of agriculture. And in the US, they had created micro drones, they called as Perdix drones. And China has also tested thousands of swarm drones for surveillance.
Whoa. So it's just not a theory, it's already happening.
Oh yes, of course. Countries and companies are spending heavily. Like the US Department of Defense has already spent billions of dollars in this technology. Do you remember the one with 3000 drone show which went viral? That was from China. And in India, people are working on the field of agriculture and surveillance. Also, companies like Intel has used the technology for entertainment purpose, like the Olympic light drone show.
Wait, so those pretty drone shows are not just for fun.
Exactly. What looks like an art is actually future tech in disguise.
Why do they not crash into each other?
Good question. The secret lies between the three principles. The first is decentralization. In this, no single leader means each and every robot will follow their neighbors. The second point is local communication. So in local communication, robots communicate with each other with the help of signals. And last but not the least, the self-organization. In this, even if a robot fails, they will self-adapt and keep working in the similar fashion.
So even if one or two drones stop working, the swarm still functions.
Exactly. That's why it is powerful and no single point failure.
So how this technology is going to be used in future?
In future, we will see smart cities using swarm drones for delivery, nanobots inside the human body for cure of deadly diseases like cancer. And in the field of space exploration, we will using small tiny robots instead of sending a one big rover to the planets to explore.
Nanobots inside a human body, that's a sci-fi stuff.
It sounds sci-fi, but researchers are already testing it in labs.
Wow, swarm technology is basically a teamwork, small individuals but big results.
Exactly, that's the philosophy. Many small minds, one big brain. It's just like us humans. One person can do a lot, but a group can build a whole future.
So when is Nextronix building a swarm technology?
अरे रुक आ रहा हूँ